Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Home Cooking with Dana. Today I am going to share a quick and easy snack idea that you can make with leftover bread. This is great for morning tea or even afternoon tea. And also if you like this recipe, don't forget to give a thumbs up and subscribe so you can see new recipes.
Check out the ingredients on the right side. I have some stale bread pieces and also some bread crust left over after making sandwiches. Next time when you have crust left, instead of throwing those, remember this recipe and make a good use of them. Break the bread into little pieces and add half a cup of water and let this soak for about 10 to 15 minutes. Chop one medium onion finely and add in I have about 10 curry leaves here. This is an optional ingredient. You can also use parsley or coriander here. Let's start adding the spices. 1 teaspoon of pepper, half a teaspoon of chili flakes. Adjust the amount of spice level according to your taste. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 tablespoon of plain flour. Let's start mixing this until the bread pieces come together and start to become sticky. Make a bowl and flatten it up using the other arm. Once the half of the mixture is finished, I am going to add some finely chopped chilies. I am making both spicy and non-spicy bread patties. Continue the process until the bread mixture is finished. Now our bread patties are ready for frying. Add oil into a pan and once the oil is warm, add the bread patties. Let this cook on medium heat until golden brown. Flip them around and let the other side cook as well. Our bread patties are ready now. Serve these with some sauce. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and subscribe to see more recipes. See you next time.